Okay guys, today I will be playing, I don't know, comment down below what Roblox games I should play. I should have figured this out before, but whatever. It is what it is. You know what? I'm in the mood to play a McDonald's tycoon, because why not? Because why not? I make this a part one of some, of many, but I don't know. Where is there an open tycoon? Over there? Is that open? Freaking. You know what, I can do this tycoon? Okay, get turn it up. I want it up at least a little bit. Okay. Begun working. Please don't tell me one of those BS click. Yes, thank God, I hate those pieces of shit. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Online tycoon too. Hold up, I'm just gonna move you guys down here a little bit more. There. I just got a new computer today, and oh crap, you guys can't. And this Fitbit, I have 7,000 steps, 71 minutes, and yeah, I gotta plug it in. Oh my god, it's really low. Let me check my phone because I don't think that's right. It's been plugged in for a little while now. There's no way it's that low. It's still scamming. There's no way it's that low. How? Okay, I'm plugging it in. I don't know what it wants me to do, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna go for another chopper. I'm putting my boy out of DC. Take a shot. Click it. My name would be so OP. I'm young boy out of DC. Now we're taking shots at where OC? Where OKC at? I'll buy that shit. I'm out. I gotta buy that. Sure, why not? Should I accept this dude? Too bad I am. Let's see, do I know anyone in here? I know that dude. I'm gonna go this way. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. See, I'm going. Ooh. Oh, savage. Savage. Straight out savage. Savage demigod. The Bucks are killing me, and the Knicks. figure I'll check the score for you guys. It's 109 to 91. Oh yeah, I forgot this isn't live. Haha. Humble young boy out of the scene. Higher taking shots at okay. See. Oh yep, it's going up by 7. Humble young boy out of the scene. Now you're taking shots at OKC. No. Red? What? I'm gonna snap my fingers and they will be done. Like you thought. Got him. Ha ha ha. Ah, apparently that's a wall. Sucky. Oh, I got him. I'm the best corner in me. Chestnuts, a sorry, steal a crabtree. That's what you're gonna get. That's the results you're gonna get. That's the results you're gonna get. That's the results you're gonna get. Oh shit, I wasn't paying attention on how much money I have. Get your dumb bubblegum looking. Sit down, big fella. Sit down. Ooh, I got them dribble handles. Oh, Stefan. Stuffing. 500, man. That ain't nothing. I'll have you up by the time I walk to this and back. Easy money, bro. What? This thing's a glitch. This game's glitching me. Get it? Glitch. Can I get that thing that says $500? When I'm up to this screen back, I'll have $750 with me. Let's say up there, 752 list. Soldier Boy, See, I how sway? What? See, I told you I would. See it. Okay. Oh, but it's bad. Good. Recharge, you son of a bitch. Oh, cancel. Oh, cancel. Soldier Boy, now let me roll. Doesn't have the McDonald's thing on it, does it? Hold on. Bye. There's what? Soldier Boy, now let me roll. Soldier Boy. Woohoo! Combine 1,000. By the time I walk across to that street and back, I'll have 1,000 up in the top. Good Lord of us. I guess that's mine, yep. What's up, bitch? What's up? So, I'm not there yet. I haven't walked all the way. I walked all the way across. Not back yet. Hey! Should I buy the Mega? No, I want to. Why is it? Why do I need. What? I'm confuzzled. Why do I need 2 roofs? What the fuck? What? I'm confused. Wait. Why do I need 2 roofs? What? Sandy corner, bitch. Once I hit that tree right there, that tree right there, right there, right there. Woo, woo, I'm just gonna hold down the jump button. Whoop, whoop. He can't catch me. Don't get hit by a car, Johnny. Yes, Papa. You need chocolate? Papa. Tell me lies. Yes. Okay, where's my second roof then? What the freak? I don't see no second. I guess there's. I'm not buying no third roof until I can see where this. What? I'm not buying no fucking third roof if I can't even find the second one. What? Okay, this game's hacking me. Are you hacking me right now? What? And I'll bet you have a floating thingy majigger because I have a floating McDonald's. Fuck. Sure. You know what? I hate this. Could I? Oh, I hate using WASD. I use the arrows. Comment down below if you use the arrows in WASD. Like legitness. Ooh, skirt. That's me using WASD. Boom, boom. That's me using WASD. That's me using the arrows. Cookie. Oh yeah, I forgot I could use this as like a tablet. Oh yeah. Haha. What's up, puppy? I'm not gonna use it as that. Rosen. I'll see if I can buy one last thing and it will be called a pillar. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm gonna buy that fucking pillar if it's the last thing I do. I have a couple more seconds to get to the fucking. You know what? I'm gonna fucking buy something else because why not? Because I'm savage. I'm savage. Yeah, I'm so savage. Look at this savage level 1 mil. Like, this is savage level 1 mil right here. Skip you. What's up? What's up? What's up, savage? I'm so savage. I'm savage. Savvy. Ooh, I'm savvy legend. Ooh, could I hit it? Oh no, there's no way in hell I'm hitting.